Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video, I will explain you how we can connect Weintek HMI with the Siemens PLC logo via Ethernet connection. Let's get started. First of all, I will open my Logo Soft Comfort software, and here we will create a small program and download it to the PLC and check with the HMI. So I will take one flag here, internal memory, that can be called the internal memory flag. And if you like to be run by the physical PLC output addresses, input addresses choosing, so you can input choosing I1 addresses. And if you like to operate from the HMI, you have to be choose the M flags, M1, M2, M3 are have many input memory flags that you can choose. So we will take the two bits, for example M1 and M2, and we will choose two outputs, Q1 and Q2. Okay, and that's we will be connect with the Q1 and Q2. That's a small program which is will created, and that's program we will be download sim like into the PLC. And just you can click it here, also you can download, also you can from the tools, and you can download, and also from the control plus D, when you press also can download. Test the your PLC connections and click it OK, and it will be start downloading. As this will be completed, can click it on yes and just go to the online test mode. If you have a physical PLC, you can check the with this one. Also you can, if you don't have a PLC, don't worry, you can check by the simulation. And again click it OK, and your now PLC is now online mode is ready. So we can open our EasyBuilder Pro, and here also we can create a small program for the HMI. So this, for example, M1 is already we write it in the uh, PLC program. So here if you like to change the shape or labels, you can, it's a huge library. Go to the picture library, and here you can see many types of the buttons. Which button you like, you can choose, and that's you can select. For example, this one is also you can add to the project and click close, and also you can click OK, and that's button will be selected. Okay, that size depend on your choice, you can select, and just you can make it copy and here paste. And next button you can give also, if color you like to be choose, you can also choose. Again go to the library, picture library, and here you can see this is the green color, for example. That's click OK, and again click OK, that's button will be selected. And inshallah will be next lectures also I will more about you the tell how we can in Weintek HMI we can modifications made. And here is a LED, this we can give the address Q1, and also you can go to the shapes, also go to the picture library if you that box types needs. This is the zero state, this one is black, and one state is look like highlight, and click OK, and again click OK, and that will be selected. And just you can make it copy and here thus paste, and you have to be change that just address change only. That's we're using the Q2 address, because of in the PLC, you know, here is also we have a M1 is input and output is Q1, same as M2 is input and Q2 is output. So we have to be choose this also. This is the Q2, this is also our cross check, this is M1, and this is we have to be type, this is M2. If we separate, for example, like to be make M2, we have to be write same as many of the. And also if you like to make the objects, go to the objects, and if you write something in your HMI, you can select it here. For example, I will write my channel name, and you can select it anywhere. And also this is color and size also you can choose from the here. For example, this is 25 color and size choose, and color if you write text in color if you like change, so we can change also this color you can see, and you can place it anywhere in the HMI. This is your, and just go to the project and go to online simulation. But before go to online simulation, I want to show you this the parameter settings. This is the system parameters. Click it on this one. When you first time design the HMI, you have to be select this one first, which is your HMI model, and next you have to be choose the Siemens this device yani, which are connected. Just you can go to here, and also you can see many of the brands are showing here which you can connect into the HMI. So that's Siemens logo Ethernet, and also go to the settings, and here you have to be set the IP address, and here is your PLC model. Which model you have? I have a 0B8 0BA8, and that's you have to be select and click it OK, and just again click it OK, again click it OK. And if you have a physical HMI, you can just go to the download PC to HMI. If you don't have a HMI, you can just select on the online simulation, and your program will be downloaded into the HMI automatically via Ethernet, and it will be shown it here. And just scroll down and you can see it here. But also one more thing, if you make it on off, you can see it is your output is now M1. When I press this one, your M1 is on and Q1 is on, and that when I selected this is Q1, M2 is I presses, that's Q2 is on. So if you like to also one more thing, if you like to choose this one color of your HMI page, so go to the attributes, and directly you can choose it here color which you want, which you like color, that's you can choose and click it OK, and you can select. And this is also text colors you can choose. If I will put the white, and this will be white, right guys? So again you can go to the online simulation, and that's will be okay, and this you can scroll down, and that's you will be see here. And when you press this one M1, your output is now on, and when you press M2, your Q2 will be on. Also in the physical PLC, I will show you in my camera. You can see it's running. Our own webcam is connected with my PC. That's we can show in the physical HMI. You can see here is this two LEDs are connected with my PLC. Four are connected, but in the program we are using this two LEDs. This is first one M1, and this is M2 look like yani. This is output yani with the M1 is Q1 and M2 with the Q2. So when I press this one, you can see our Q1 is on, right? And when we press this one M2, our Q2 is on. This logo PLC don't have any indications upside. This is the design manufacturer design journey. We can verify with the output addresses in the with the physical LEDs, right? Okay, this is on, this is off. And if you like to type the change the type of this one, your button size, for an example we will type this one momentary, and if we like to make the toggle system, you can just this toggle button you can choose. This is the one time press on, second time press off, and click it OK. This is momentary I will leave, and this I make the toggle. You can see again online simulation, and go download, and here, and also we will check our camera. You can see this is one press after our output is on, and second press it will be off. And same this is you can, if you press and release, this will be on and off. Okay, this is our toggle button, this is our momentary button. So hope guys you will be understand about this program how we can connect our Weintek HMI with the Logo PLC. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.